My name is Eric Brooks, and I work for Steriline Aseptic Processing. We do worldwide processing of vials, syringes, and cartridges for the fill finish and other markets.
Awesome. And where are you guys located?
We're located out of Como, Italy.
And you have people worldwide, or
Yep, we have operations in Italy, in North America, in India, agents in 50 countries around the world.
Awesome. So why are you guys at the Staubli open house then? What do
Well,
you do with
Staubli is a great partner of ours. We've worked with them for about the last 10 years. We have implemented their robots in our aseptic processing systems. They're a great partner.
And what makes them a great partner? What makes them the right robotic solution?
Well, their robots are the best robots for aseptic processing because they resist VHP and they don't give off particles. We use the robotic systems to process many different types of containers, vials, syringes, cartridges, all in the same machine.
Do you typically do liquid filling, or are there other types of formats
We do liquid filling, we do powder filling, we do toxic materials, potent compounds. We do anything that needs to be packaged in a sterile way.
Oh, great. Tell me a little bit about this machine.
So this machine has a Staubli robot, and it's called a nest filling machine. Any material that comes in a nest like this can be placed in the machine, and the machine will put a cap on it, fill it, put a cap on it, and seal it.
Did these machines typically made specifically for a customer? Or do you have different formats that are standard?
We have formats that are standard, but almost every system is customized solution for the customer's needs.
What's the cycle time on this particular one? Is this actually like one that you would sell to a customer, or is this more of a demo?
Yeah, this is a laboratory type machine.
Okay.
If it was going to be a GMP machine, it would have a laminar airflow system on it. This machine will fill about 20 of these vials per minute.
Is that typical? Like, what is the fastest that you guys do?
We could do anything from 20 per minute to 400 per minute, depending upon the type of machine.
Yeah, nice. So when do your customers choose you over a competitor?
We are able to take on different, complex, unique applications. We're one of the strongest in robotic processing, so we're not afraid to take on a small, unique machine that has very particular customer requirements.
Yeah.
So we're really good at that. What
makes robotics such a good application for this? Like, there could be a servo here, there could be other types to do this motion. Because
many times companies don't know what size container they're going to need to fill. So the flexibility and the quick changeover from one format to another is really where robotics stands out in this market. You just change a few pieces of the tooling on the machine and you're up and running on a different customer's format.
As a systems integrator, I feel like robotics makes a lot of sense because I can just update it so quickly, whereas if you go all the way back to the cans and mechanical, it just takes so long to change that and make it work.
Right.
So. Well, thanks for having me today, and thanks for talking to me. I hope you enjoy the Staubli open house.
All right, thank you.
Thanks, Eric.
Bye-bye.